Palantir has extended their multi-year partnership in a new multi-million-dollar deal with APA. Also, they've just secured another big win, a $100 million contract with the Army Research Lab. Wedbush and Bank of America are raising their target price, while Deutsche Bank and Raymond James have downgraded the stock. We've also seen major, though planned, sell-offs from Peter Thiel and Alex Karp. I made a move with my own Palantir position. All of this and more in today's Palantir video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Market Monkeys channel. It's Julie here, and today we're breaking down Palantir Technologies, a company that's been making some serious waves recently. Is the stock overvalued, undervalued, or maybe it's just getting started? We've got a lot to talk about today, including the latest news, insider moves, and of course my own thoughts about where Palantir is heading. Stick around because in the end I'll break down exactly what I did and why. As always, let's begin with a few words about the company. For you regular viewers, I suggest that you navigate yourself to the next topic of this video, is Palantir's deal with APA. So, Palantir is a pure-play data management and analytics company that serves both government clients and commercial clients in various sectors, for example, healthcare, retail, banks, and many more. The company helps clients analyze, visualize, and analyze large amounts of data in real time. They offer 4 products: Gotham, Foundry, Apollo, and their newest product that makes all the buzz now, AAP, or Artificial Intelligence Platform. We've had several videos on this channel where we are breaking down what each of these products does, so I won't repeat myself again. If you're just getting to know Palantir, I suggest that you go and watch our previous videos. Regarding AAP, or Artificial Intelligence Platform, it's a powerful tool designed to integrate AI into business operations. In simple words, usually it's really difficult and takes a lot of time to integrate AI solutions into the business or into the company, but Palantir does it really efficiently. It only takes a few days to integrate this platform into any business. Today, the company operates in 150 countries all over the world, including US and the UK. After we've made sure that everyone is aware of what Palantir is doing, let's discuss the recent deals that bring Palantir to higher grounds. Palantir Technologies and Apache Corporation have extended their multi-year partnership in a new multi-million-dollar deal. For those unfamiliar, Apache is one of the largest oil and gas exploration companies, has been leveraging Palantir software to make data-driven decisions across their operations. With this partnership extension, Apache will continue using Palantir's Foundry platform to optimize production, enhance decision-making, and streamline operations while exploring greater possibilities with Palantir's AAP. This is what the Vice President or Chief Information Officer of APA, Travis Osborne, said about their extended deal. Our existing partnership has enabled improved operational efficiency and business visibility across our global portfolio. We are excited to expand the use of Palantir AI capabilities to build on this foundation and accelerate performance and cost management even further. This renewal highlights Palantir's critical role in helping large enterprises like Apache to unlock the full possibilities of their data, and shows how Palantir creates a long-term value in various industries. Another thing, Palantir just landed an additional big win, almost $100 million 5-year contract with the Army Research Lab. This deal extends access to their Maven Smart system, which is part of the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency's AI infrastructure. What's great is that it's not only for the Army. The Air Force, Space Force, Navy, and Marines are all going to benefit from this deal. Palantir's platform will help with everything from battle space awareness to logistics and targeting. Akash Jain, if I'm pronouncing that name correctly, the president of Palantir USG, or US Government Division, said this contract is going to help speed up the military's joint operations programs, which is a huge deal for Palantir. Now, of course, everything can be that perfect, so before we will speak about what's happening behind the scenes, if you find this information valuable, hit the subscribe button and like this video. So, you may have heard that Palantir co-founder Peter Thiel sold over $600 million worth of stock this year, and about Alex Karp sells over $300 million worth in stock. While those sell-offs were planned well in advance, Karp, for example, planned to sell his part this past December, and Peter Thiel past May. These news are still making all of the shareholders nervous because sometimes they can indicate incoming trouble. In this case, I personally think that it's a great reminder that Palantir is currently overvalued. Let's not forget that their PE is about 200 and their PEG is about 2. As I already explained in my previous video, there is no competition for Palantir, and as a result, there is no one to compare these metrics to. But anyway, with the information that we own today, Palantir's valuations are through the roof. The stock has already already been on a wild ride for a stock with current valuations, so it led me to my own strategies, which I'll talk about in the end of this video. About the analyst ratings, Wedbush highlighted a growing interest among enterprises in integrating Palantir's AIP platform into their operations by 2025. This isn't just a speculation. Big players are actually considering integrating Palantir's AI solutions into their business, and it's no surprise. Imagine stop using chatbots like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, whatever it is you're using. I mean, it's not possible. That's it. We're hooked. I'm more productive. I can study faster. I can do my work faster. So the same goes to big enterprises or just enterprises and businesses and companies. Imagine your competitor starts using some great solution like AIP and they're becoming more effective. Their data works for them, helps them sell more and earn more, and you're actually left behind. So of course, to bring yourself to the same level of competition, you will want to integrate the solution for yourself. And as I mentioned already, there is no competitors for Palantir's AIP right now. So any company that will want to integrate this solution will come to Palantir, and it will happen throughout the next few years. So as a result, Wedbush maintained its optimistic outlook on Palantir Technologies, sticking with its outperform rating and raising the price target to $45 from the previous $38. Bank of America is even more bullish, raising their target from $30 to $50, maintaining a buy rating. However, not all analysts share this positive outlook. Deutsche Bank, for example, is sticking to their sell rating with a price target raised from $20 to $21, reflecting skepticism about whether the current valuation justifies the company's future prospects. Raymond James have also downgraded Palantir from outperform to market perform, and this is what analysts from Raymond James wrote in an investor note. While we remain enthusiastic about Palantir's longer-term positioning in AI, we are downgrading our rating to market perform from outperform, giving our view that shares need to consolidate stellar gains over the last couple of years and grow into its rich valuation. So, while Palantir has strong growth potential, especially in AI, concerns about its high valuations and profitability continue to affect some analyst recommendations, and rightly so. Now let's finally get personal. After going through all of that information, here is where I stand. Right now is a fact that Palantir is overvalued at the current levels based on traditional metrics. Their price to earnings ratios are high, and the stock has been a crazy surge in the past couple of months. But at the same time, AI sector is accelerating and growing with amazing speed, and Palantir is closing big deals left and right. The insider selling, although planned, does make me cautious. It's something that I can't ignore. As I mentioned in my previous video, I was planning to sell a part of my stock when it hit $36–37 range, but as some of you might remember, it was right before the S&P 500 inclusion, only a few days before, and I actually did not expect everything to happen so quickly. So I froze, did not sell at the level of 36–37 and decided to see what will be happening next. Also, I need to say that I kind of hoped that Palantir will cross the all-time high price, and there is actually this theory says that if the stock crosses this line, there is a bigger possibility for it continuing to grow. We actually have a short video about this on our channel. But basically, after a few weeks of this unnerving stability that I'm not used to anymore regarding Palantir, and the news about Peter Thiel and Alex Karp selling their chunks, I decided that it was my cue to wake up and to stick to my previous plan. And I must confess, I did it with unease, because some part of me still hopes that what we're witnessing right now is this very beautiful consolidation before the textbook example breakout. But I told myself that I had a plan and I must follow it and to not let myself perform on emotions. So I sold a third of my position this past Friday for an average price of $36.8. So right now my plan is to sell another third when the stock will reach $40–45 range. I'm not sure yet. When I will make exact strategy, I will make another video about this. But here is the catch. If the stock will surge down below, right now I would say $24–25, even better $20, I will buy back everything I sold and maybe even more. Why am I doing this? It's not that I don't believe in Palantir, I absolutely do. For that matter, I had been in Palantir from their beginning on the stock market. I went with them through their major crash and never wanted out of this stock. I am planning on holding it for many more years. But the stock has been very volatile lately and I am trying to mitigate my own risks. And before I sold, Palantir took 60% of my portfolio. so I wanted to sell some part of it and to diversify my holdings. Please don't forget that investing isn't only about riding stocks to the moon. I know we all wish it would be, but it isn't. It's about strategy and it's about risk management. Palantir has enormous potential, but it's also suffering from hype and speculations. Hell, it was a meme stock only a few years back. Palantir is a company with a massive long-term potential, especially in the AI space. They're landing big deals like the APA extension, and their AAP is gaining traction for future deployments. But at the same time, the stock is volatile, the stock is overpriced, and many of the analysts downgrading them. As always, make sure you do your own research and come up with a strategy that fits your risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what is your strategy for Palantir. Until next time, happy investing!